Let's see how to create a new document in usBIM.IDS editor. Once we log into the cloud with our credentials, we select the New Document icon and choose usBIM.IDS editor. We proceed by assigning a title and a name before creating the document. The interface that appears when the application starts presents a window with sections to fill out. On the left side of the window, there are access points to the sections: General Data, Specifications, Report, XML. From the General Data section, you can enter all general data of interest for the specification: title, email, purpose, milestone, date, version, copyright, description. In the Specifications section, we define the control criteria. Specifically, in the General tab, we characterize the fields. Name, a brief name for the information to specify, the IFC schema version to which the specification applies. Description, describe why the requirement is important for the project. The person reading the description should understand why the information provides value, which workflows it helps to achieve, and which project benefits will be sacrificed if the requirements are not met. Identifier, a name assigned to uniquely identify a specification. Instructions, provides instructions on who is responsible for procuring the information and details on how to obtain it, such as guidelines on how a naming convention works, how to choose an appropriate value, or what to do in edge cases. In the next section called Filters, we enter the applicability parameters which can be mandatory, optional, or prohibited. This way, we can define whether the model must, may, or must not contain an entity. Additionally, we can select the entities to which the specification applies based on 6 parameters called facets: class, relationships, attribute, classification, property, material. In this case, our specification requires the model to contain entities with the IFC wall standard case class. In the requirements section, based on the selected facet type, we input the requirements in various rows. The first row specifies the mode the entity should have, may have, or must not have. The second row in our case requires entering the type of classification with the corresponding classification code. Once our parameters are set, we can proceed to view our specification in PDF format or download it in various available formats. Additionally, we can view and download the specification in XML format. The last section, called Audit, validates the correctness of the specification writing. After completing the specification drafting, we consolidate the IDS editor document.